Hello friend, I'm doing unboxing of sneakers that I've got from Amazon. They are from brand Asics and I got them on Amazon. They are old model, I think. And I'll show you my first one and unbox the newer one, which are the same but different colors. So first one I already using and they looks like this. They are from Amazon and the model is called Asics gel something. Wait, I have to open box to actually see. So here funny because I got from Amazon but it says eBay. That's weird. And I didn't got from eBay. Asics Gel Excite 7 Women's. So I've got this ones. The box actually will show you how it looks. Gel Excite 7 size 11. Because I've got them one size bigger because I thought I got two sizes, 10 and 11, and I think 10 was slightly tight. That's why I decided to get size 11. And I wear them to work, as my work requires standing 8 hours on feet all the time. And I noticed that the Hoka ones, they give me some pain. A heel and a little more close to the heel on the inside. So I decided to try some different, and I've got these ones on Amazon. They are cheap Asics. So it looks like this. They are black and they have these pink accents, as you can see. And we have mesh material here. The laces here, the tongue has some Asics logo. And in saying comfort, everyday comfort. And here we have thicker foam, just like my Hoka. See, they are actually similar color. Look, really similar. Maybe I will still wear Hoka because maybe it was just from standing that pain, I don't know. I had to get used to in my work to stand all the time, so maybe it was the issue of just standing. If not, then I will probably just wear these ones, although these ones are nice too. But I noticed that after this ones, after 8 hours, I don't have so much pain as in that Hoka. So actually I think this might be even better for work for long hours. And they have amply foam. It says amply foam. See? And here it says Gel Excite 7, and here is the foam. So these are the ones I've got in past, and now I will show you the same kind but different color. So they came in this box. It's a little damage here. So they knew. Yeah, it looks new and very nice. Look guys, so I've got this color. They are white, have blue, how this called, blue sole. Here we have yellow painting of a sole. Here we have pinkish stripes with yellow. And we have here some, this thingy. And what else we have? Laces and fake foam here again. And again I've got size 11 to hope they are the same. Yes, they look the same. And they were really affordable, only $50. So much cheaper than Hoka. They were cheaper than Hoka. But I don't know, they can be for long. But in that work where when you have to stand all the time, you have to have comfortable shoes. Otherwise, it's a little problematic. Yeah, so it looks like this. Actually, they match my backpack because these are neon pink. So yeah, that's my new shoes. I will show you how they look back on this model to see how they look. So it looks like this. slightly big, but I did buy them like they run half size bigger, I think, because other ones were a little tight, so I prefer bigger. So yeah, that's my unboxing. Hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.